Hi FSK students, this is Boyd and today I'm going to show you how to use GIMP. These are the things we're going to look at. Open an image, resize an image, crop an image, add text to an image, change the colour and save an image. So it's just a basic quick tutorial to get you started. Okay, let's start with opening an image. So go to the top left here, go to File, go to Open. Now you'll see down here all your different files. I've saved the photo that I want to use in the Pictures folder. So I go to Pictures, find the photo that I want to use, and then I'm going to press Open here. Okay, so the next thing we'll do is we'll resize an image. Okay, so we've got our image, but it's not the right size. Okay, so we need to resize it. We go to Image, we go to Scale Image, and here we can see the width and the height. So I'm going to unlock this because I don't want it to automatically change the height. So I'm going to type in the height for this project, or the width for this project, and the height for this project. The resolution here, this is the resolution we're using for this project, 72. Keep that locked so they both change. When you've got that, then press Scale. Okay. Look, it's a bit thin. I could have cropped it first, but I decided to scale it first. Now, if we crop it first, Control Z to undo, View, go to Zoom Out, View, and Zoom Out. Okay. So if I don't want to squash the image, I should crop it first. So cropping is the next one, crop an image. So let's do that first. So I'm going to crop it. The crop tool, these are your tools here. These are your main tools. Okay, so the crop tool is this tool here. So press the crop tool, select the area you want. Okay, so I want a nice square image. So I'm selecting this area. This area is shaded out that you're going to crop away, and then press Enter on the keyboard. There you've got your cropped image. Now I'll go back to resize an image. So resize an image. Again, go to Image, go to Scale Image. These are the dimensions we're using for the project. Don't forget to unlock it there. And the resolution we're using for this project, 72. Okay, and when you've got those dimensions in, scale. There we go. We've got our scale. So I've showed you how to open an image, resize an image, and crop an image. Now let's look at add text to an image. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in a bit. So View, Zoom, Zoom in. So just make it a bit bigger. So to add text, you go to the text tool, which is here. It says A for text. Draw a box where you want to put your text. Okay, I want to put my text here. Color. We'll write the text first. So New Fairs for 2021. Okay, so write your text. Highlight your text if you want to change it. If you're happy with it, then you just click off the screen. If you want to change it, there are some tools here and then some tools here to change it. First of all, I want to center it. So see this center? So I'm going to center my text. The next thing I want to do is I want to change the size of my text. So size here, you can use these arrows to go up. Okay, nice and big. Okay. So there, I'm happy with the size. The next thing is the colour. I want to change the colour. I want green. I like to use green. So select the colour. Okay. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. Maybe a little bit lighter would be better. Okay, a bit lighter. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now, if you're not happy with the font, you can also change the font. So the font is here, Arial. So type a letter. I just type C in Calvary bold. Okay, it's up to you. Experiment with a few different types of font. So I'm just going to go with this one, and I'm happy with that. So I click off the screen. Okay, and that's my text layer. So you can see down here, you'll have a text layer. If you turn it off, you can turn off the text layer if you want. Okay, so that's how you select your layers down here. So text layer, background layer. So I want to change, the next thing is we're going to look at change the color. So I want to go back to my text layer, sorry, the image here. I'm on my background layer because it's darker, and I want to change the color. So I go to colors, I go to hue saturation. Okay, I've got hue saturation here. I'll move it here, and hue, as you can see, changing the color. Lightness, that's the lightness. Saturation, hue. So you can make it black and white by taking out all the saturation. I don't want to take it all out, so I'm just going to take a bit of the colour out. Okay, once you're happy with it, once you're happy with your changes, press OK. And now the last thing we're going to look at is save an image. So I'm happy with my image. I want to save it. First, I do a save as. Okay. So I save as. Make sure you put it in pictures and go to save. So that will save it in the GIMP format. Now I want to do save it as a JPEG. This is the version I'm going to use to upload. So I go to File, Export As. Okay, I change for the project, change to your name. The unit, CUADIG 202. Task 3, image 1. Okay, put it in pictures. Now this is very important. Select file type. So scroll down and go to, we want JPEG image, and then when you found that, press the export button. Export here. Okay. I had another file the same name, so I'm going to cancel that. I'll change this to image 2. Okay, export. You'll see this box will come up. Now, if you're going to print this image, put it right up to 100, but if you're just using it for the web, you can put it down a little bit. So export, and that's done. I can check that now. If I go to my File Explorer, image 2, here it is in my Pictures folder. So double click that, and there it is there, JPEG folder. Okay, thanks for watching. All the best, and let me know if you've got any questions.